If the United States have so much oil, then why the US relies heavily on Saudi Arabia? The US produces more oil than any other country, yet it relies on Saudi Arabia to keep global prices stable. This dependence started in 1945, when President Roosevelt and King Abdulaziz agreed on a deal: US military protection in exchange for oil supply. In 1974, the petrodollar agreement required Saudi Arabia to sell oil only in US dollars, making the dollar the world's dominant currency. Saudi Arabia controls 17% of global oil reserves and leads OPEC, deciding how much oil is produced. In 2022, after Russia invaded Ukraine, oil prices surged, forcing the US to negotiate with Saudi Arabia to increase production. But Saudi Arabia rejected, and prices got skyrocketed throughout the US. Even with record US oil output, Saudi Arabia's control over OPEC and oil pricing makes it impossible for the US to dictate Saudi Arabia.